Thanks for coming to join me while I wash my face with my Hydrolicious, and then I'm gonna exfoliate with my Easy Scrubs It, and then I'm going to do a quick little mask with my Rosemary Mojito mask. I only would follow that up with a moisturizer, but since this is a moisturizer, I'm going to use my kabuki brush. You can see how well the kabuki brush rubs in. I've done a video before with this and I used a sponge, and I just love how the kabuki brush works. I'm going to start with just cleansing. You didn't know that in our spring summer catalog, it is right here. I am using pretty much everything from our anti-aging. It is page 16, at the bottom of page 16. So if you're following the anti-aging routine, these are all part of it. Patting dry because I don't want to undo all the things, right? I understand the new like little cuffs that people wear when they are doing their facial routines. My daughter has a set where she's got her little to keep her hair back, and then she has these little terry cloth cuffs that she puts on, and it keeps the water from running up your elbow, up to your elbow. Up is Easy Scrubs It. This was just our Hydrolicious. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. Just a face wash. I've heard people say it doesn't foam up, but maybe I use too much. I don't know. It always foams up and I always feel much better, feels more plump, and you just use it with water. I often will use it right in the shower. I have heard people say that I don't like using an exfoliant because it makes their face red, and really I get it, it does. You pay attention to whether or not you're allergic to stuff, right? But the other part of it is that it's getting rid of dead skin cells, but it's also going to make your face glow because it's getting rid of those dead skin cells, right? And then imagine it's going to be amazing because I'm going to get this rinsed off and my face is going to feel really scrubbed, for lack of a better word. And then I'm going to put that Rosemary Mojito clay mask on. Oh man, it's going to be amazing. You don't want to use too hot water on your face. Face already gets dry. Hot water makes it drier. Yes, did you notice I still have my Def Leppard? I know. For those of you who knew me as a 31 consultant, I always did videos in my Def Leppard t-shirts. I can't tell you how many I have. There's a lot. I have like a whole drawer full of Def Leppard t-shirts. My favorite guys are touring, and I can't afford tickets to go. So I'm so bummed because I'd love to go get a new like concert t-shirt. I'd love to go see them. But lawn tickets, where they're going to be here in Michigan, it's like $200 for lawn tickets. Like, I'm going to go sit and get a bad back. Like, I don't even want to know how much tickets with the seats are. Next is the Mojito, Rosemary Mojito. It's a clay calm cooling mask, and it really, really is. It feels wonderful when you put it on. So you put this on. I'll share the hot sheets for all of these so you can see the directions. The hot sheets have directions too. Isn't this cool? My consultant before I joined gave me this because I got the Rosemary Mojito in a Joyful Jordan box, and I had subscribed, so she sent me a gift. It's like painting. I'm not good at that either. And to be perfectly honest, I don't know how much is too much. You know, they say to test an area on your skin before you do anything, before you try anything. So we're gonna wait 10 minutes. It is 11:04, so. Okay, so while I was waiting, I kind of tidied up my bathroom sink, and I used our Healthy Home cleanser and got that all tidied up, and then I grabbed a washcloth because I always felt like this is easier to kind of get everything off my face anyhow and absorb it a little bit better. So I'm gonna get my washcloth a little wet, get this mask off my face now. So there's half of it off my face, right? It smells so good. So if you like rosemary, like if you like the scent, the smell of it, not only is it calming for your skin, but it's just really nice aromatherapy as well for you. So that makes me happy. I'm a very big natural, using the herbs and all of that to kind of help us heal. I love all of the naturalistic, holistic healing. I feel like this is exactly what I need in my life, this point in my life. Some of you know me, I've been struggling a lot with different things. My health and my mental health have not been at their top. And so this is a really nice a nice way to ease back into that a little bit. So, all right, so I have the mask all off. Yep, rubbing a little bit, I made it a little red, but it's fine. Oops, I missed the hamper. Can you believe that? All right, so let's start with tinted moisturizer, which is amazing. Absolutely. You don't really feel like you're wearing anything, to be perfectly honest. Our Kabuki brush that we sell in our catalog, and this is the number 3 medium. I have a little bit darker complexion. It's the native in me. I use the number 3. It is pretty decent. This summer, I probably should go up 1. This will work for right now. So I just want you to see how it's just kind of like a pump, like our moisturizer is. When I first started using the Kabuki brush, I was like, you have got to be kidding me, because I get so much more of the moisturizer on my skin than when I was using the sponge. The sponge absorbs a ton, and I never realized that, how much it steals makeup from you. I'm gonna makeup in my eyebrows, so I don't do an eyebrow pencil, but I do use Jordan Essentials eyeliner, mascara, and eyeshadow or mineral makeup. Has great coverage, does a ton of work for you, and I really like it. Iced mocha, and then this is the plum. It's like a really pretty caramel color. It's a great base, so I do it like this. Kind of do a little bit of a smoky eye kind of thing. Flat brushes, and I get a crease brush, and I use the plum, which is like a little glittery purple, and I put it right in the crease. And I drag it down a little bit and give myself a little bit of a smoky eye. I'm not your girl for makeup tutorials. My mom didn't wear makeup. She broke out when she wore makeup, so I didn't learn how to like really apply makeup. I learned from my daughters. And just by guess and by gosh, right? And then this is our pencil. It's great. You don't have to like light it on fire. Remember, we're my 80s girls, right? We used to light them on fire, and you don't have to. It goes on nice and thick, not super thick. I mean, you can make it as thick as you want. I like mine a little thick. It's not super thick, you can tell. It's really not bad. And yes, I'm a lefty. So eyeliner, I need to do both with my left hand because it's a pencil, right? It's a pencil. Our mascara, I have our Flawless mascara because I wear contacts often, and it's safe for contacts. You should change your mascara. You should get a new one about every 3 months to keep it fresh. If you followed me for a while, you know that in January I had a sty in my eye. It was not a pretty thing. And so I made sure that I replaced all my makeup just in case. It wasn't like a makeup thing. The bacteria that comes from a sty can transfer to your makeup, and then you can get it back. Mine took forever to get rid of. And I don't know the answer to this. I don't know why I can do mascara with both hands, but I can't do my eyeliner with both hands. And the last thing is I snagged the Spritz and Bliss toner, and you can use it as kind of like a makeup setter if you want to. Is just a little toner. Is called Raspberry Spritz and Bliss, which is from our amazing Joyful Jordan box for June. When you open this box, it smells like blueberries because it has this amazing blueberry glycerin soap. But so the Raspberry Spritz and Bliss is the red, white citrus vanilla shea butter, which is white, and then the blueberry. So red, white, blue. I know. It's $30. It comes with this amazing thank you card because Jordan Essentials is made all in the USA. And so it comes with this great, amazing thank you card. It tells you all about the products in it and how you can use them. And this was one of the ways. And so it smells like it's got raspberry extract. So I'm just gonna take a breath. Oh, and it's for refreshing too. Oh, it smells so good. Nice. And it gives you a little dewy look. Okay, found my lipstick. I really like this one. It's called Mauve Crush. And it goes really nice. So this is decent light. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you got a lot from this and that you'll go share with other people, subscribe to my channel if that brings you joy, share with anybody who needs to see this. Follow Def Leppard, right? Yes, why not? Do me one last favor, go watch another video. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.